third-generation Mazda RX-7 was one of the sharpest coupes of the 90s. It was launched in 1978. Its light, compact fastback style and rotary engines proved a hit among buyers. It had a 13B Rebu twin-turbo engine. The concept was simple, the first turbo boosting from 2,000 RPM, with exhaust gases then fed directly from it into the second, identically sized turbo to further reduce lag. In Japan, it was tuned to deliver 255 bhp, but in Europe it developed a slightly softer 237 bhp at 6,500 RPM with 218 lb-ft of torque Q at 5,000 RPM. There wasn't really anything like it before, and there hasn't been anything quite like it since. The smoked, one-piece, full-width taillight still makes a dramatic statement, while the pop-up headlights are peak 90s nostalgia.